The time of the year has come where many of us off-road enthusiasts have to switch gears and get ready for the barrage that winter's about to throw our way. But don't worry, there's plenty of jobs for your ATV or side-by-side during those cold winter months. Obviously, plowing snow is number one on the list of tasks for many, and I'm lumped into that group. This year, we have a remarkably capable, and let's be honest, really comfortable Ranger NorthStar Ultimate, with full cab heat, power windows, a big stereo and subwoofer, and Polaris's on-screen adjustable plow control that actually allows you to tune the winch to respond to your shifting when plowing snow. Well, I've got it easy this year, but like always, there's a few areas that I think I can improve. I know the Ultimate is pretty high-end, but hey, this is dirt tracks, and I know how to accessorize a ride. While there isn't anything to add inside of this cab, on the outside of the Ranger, there's a couple areas that I can shed some light on, quite literally. Light when plowing is a huge benefit, and the LED Ranger headlights do a great job of throwing light. However, more light when plowing is always welcomed, especially if the snow is powdery and the wind is blowing. Utilizing a 32-inch double-row arched light bar from Kimpex will help put maximum light on the job. Its 6K color temp is bright, it's fully water sealed in aluminum so it's durable, and this Kimpex kit comes with the full wiring harness and illuminated switch, so it's straightforward to install and there's nothing more needed. Now typically when you mount a light bar you put it up on the roof, but for this job I want to get the light as close to the snowplow as possible, so I've opted to use some of these cool adjustable tube mounts from Kimpex. They come in a variety of tube diameter options and will also swivel the mount so you can get your light bar or fog lights right where you want them without having to drill holes. Pretty slick little mounts, and they're also painted to match so they don't stand out. Another key is removal of the light. Should you want to take the light bar off, you're not left with holes in your roof, both for the mount and the light wire. And on an expensive side-by-side like this one, drilling into the cab can cause some concern. Okay, so we have really good fill lighting up front from this light bar, but I'm going to take this one step further and add a set of fog lights. My reasoning for this is not just to illuminate in front of our plow, but also to light up the sides of the plowing area with maximum coverage. And that is because I always find that when I'm plowing, I'm looking for more light and more perspective. It's usually dark after work, and when the snow blows, you can find yourself off the driveway pretty easily if you don't have enough light. Like the light bar, these are 6K color temp, they come in an IP68 waterproof aluminum housing, and have the same 50,000 hour lifespan. I'm opting to use another set of these cool Kimpex tube clamp light mounts, not the factory mount locations, because if I do this, I can plant these fog lights exactly where I want them and send the light out past the sides of the Ranger. A Kimpex T-fitting and harness with switch go in quickly and match the light bar nicely. Now the next thing I've got for you is a bit of a unique product, but when I saw that Kimpex offered one, I knew it would have 1,000 uses around here at Dirt Tracks. And that product is the Kimpex portable 2,500 pound winch. I have most certainly found myself stuck with a side-by-side when plowing in the winter and getting a little bit too adventurous. But with the winch up front and holding the plow, it's pretty useless for getting yourself unstuck. So this little beauty is only a couple $100, can be moved from your side-by-side to an ATV or even your truck or tractor, and it only needs access to a battery with gator clamps for 12 volt. It's equipped with 30 feet of steel cable, it's run by a 300 watt 25 amp motor that pulls up to 2,500 pounds. It features both wired as well as wireless controls, and it comes with a mounting bracket to slip over the ball on your trailer hitch, or can be tethered to just about anything you want to pull or pull from, and when I link it with a Kimpex Accessory winch kit, it gives me two 2-ton shackles, a 9,000 pound rated snatch block, and two 10,000 pound rated 8-foot straps, so that you can accomplish all kinds of jobs with this fancy portable winch. Both the winch and accessory kit come with nice zippered storage bags as well, so you can keep them clean and out of the elements. When I link up with Kimpex, there's no excuse to not get the job done, do it safely and with confidence. And if I do get a little over-ambitious, I know that I've got all the right equipment to see me through. If you've enjoyed this segment, make sure you hit the like button. And also comment down below because we love hearing from our fans and we try to reply as much as possible. And also, make sure you subscribe because here at Dirt Tracks, we've always got cool stuff coming your way.